Hey y'all, welcome to the Houston Gardening Novice channel. I'm a newbie gardener here in Houston, Texas, Zone 9B. Half the time I don't know what I'm doing, but I enjoy trying things out and figuring out what works for me. I hope you can join me in my gardening journey as I slowly work on building my backyard sanctuary. So I built these two Obelisk Trellises for my Carolina Jessamine. There's a video on how I built them, but now I want to go ahead and transfer the Jessamines from the pots that they've been living in for the past 2, maybe 3 years, and I want to transplant them from this into the ground. So that's one, and here is the second one. So right now the obelisks are not anchored to the ground, so I'll need to dig holes to put them into the ground so that they don't topple over from the wind. So that's the project for today. So let's get that started. So I've finished untangling this one. I didn't lose many limbs. I only lost these, just a few. I thought I would lose more. So that's how it's looking like. I'll untangle some more and then do the next one. This one should be easier because we don't have too many tangles. So I'll go ahead and get this one done, and then we'll plant afterwards. So I'm done. I've watered them in. They're looking kind of sad right now, but they'll be okay by tomorrow. So this is the larger one, and the smaller plant is here. So I'll add some mulch to the base of both of them. I don't have mulch right now, but I'll add some when I get. So I think they should be okay. I think they should transplant well into the ground. Their roots are very shallow, very fibrous roots. So I'm hoping that means they'll be able to recover from the transplantation. But anyway, that's how they look. Okay. All right, I'll stop this video right here. I'll probably be back in a few weeks when they're in their second bloom. They've already bloomed for the spring. They should bloom again maybe in the next month or two. Probably by the end of May, early June, they should bloom again. And I'm hoping, because I didn't disturb the, I didn't cut off too many of the shoots. I'm hoping that means that they will be able to bloom. Some of the pods are still intact right here. So anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you all on the next one. Thank you. Bye.